Good afternoon. It's Miss Watson. I hope that you all had a great weekend and you had a very happy Easter. I can't believe this beautiful weather we've been having. It's such a blessing. So, I wanted to give you a little overview of what we're going to be doing this week, the week of April 13th through the 19th, I guess, since I'm giving you until Sunday night to turn it in. So, what's going to happen is, of course, Monday is a holiday. It's Easter Monday, so we won't be having any school, and so no activity is scheduled for that day. On Tuesday, we're going to be moving on to a new unit, and this is a combination unit. It's 4.01, which is all about receiving from family, friends, and nonprofits. There's going to be a time in all of your lives when you probably find yourself in a situation where you need help from other folks. And so these two units together are going to be about places and people that we receive help from. So the first unit is receiving from family, friends, and different types of nonprofit. You guys are going to read the info sheet, and there's a place for you guys to add some examples to Padlet to demonstrate what you learn. On Wednesday, you're going to read 4.02, which is receiving from government programs. So you're going to be learning about 7 different government programs, and you're going to learn about what makes people qualify for those programs, where the money comes from, and what the program actually provides, and who is eligible, and that kind of stuff. So you're going to read the info sheet for that unit. And then there's a place in Google Classroom where I've posted a question where it asks you to demonstrate that you have learned some things about those programs and you can kind of explain how they work. On Thursday, we're going to dig a little bit deeper into those government programs. So this is just kind of the overview. Thursday, you're going to watch some videos from a resource sheet that kind of gives a deeper explanation of those programs. And you're going to ask yourself some questions that I give you just to kind of test your understanding. And there'll be a place for you to add some questions. If something's still not quite clear, you can ask me some questions and I'll answer those for you. And then Friday, of course, is your graded assignment, which is your project that covers both of these objectives. It's a two-part project since these two objectives are, a little bit different topics. So for part one, you're going to be playing a game called Spent, and you actually kind of track your progress as you go through the game. And it's simulating a real life situation where you find yourself on hard times, you don't quite have enough money to make it through the month, and it forces you to make some difficult decisions. And there's follow up questions for that. It's worth 50 points. And then part two is called Calvin's Story. So this one is related to the government programs that you learned about in 4.02. So you're going to read about Calvin, and then you're going to point out 3 different programs that Calvin or his family could benefit from based on what you learn about him. You're going to explain why he or his family members qualify for that program and what they would actually receive. So that's it, folks. That's the week at a glance. Every day I'll be posting some videos that explains the different activities, and I'm always available during office hours if you have any questions. This week it'll be Tuesday through Friday between 10 and 11 and 2 till 3. Okay, have a great week.